Hello students, good morning everyone. Today's 7th class science topic is base and their classification. Yesterday we will discuss about acids and their classification of acids. Now bases are those substances which are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. Means when we touch these substances we feel just like soap, and bitter in taste. Bitter means kadwa in taste. Okay, bases are those substances. After that, a base is a compound which contain, it is a compound that contain one or more hydroxyl group ion OH negative. OH negative means hydroxyl ion. A base is a compound that contain one or more OH negative hydroxyl ion, and it give these ions on complete dissociation in water. When we dilute these acids or when we dissolve these bases in water, then hydroxyl ion is produced on dissolving water. For example, NaOH, KOH, aluminium hydroxide. NaOH means sodium hydroxide. KOH means potassium hydroxide, and AlOH thrice means aluminium hydroxide. These are the examples of bases. Okay. After that, classification of bases. We classify these bases first on the basis of concentration. Classification of bases. On the basis of concentration, first one is on the basis of concentration. We classify base just as acids such as concentrated base or alkali, and second one is dilute base or alkali. First we discuss about alkalis. Alkalis are those substances. Alkalis are those base or substances which dissolve in water. Okay. Understand, alkalis are those base or substances which dissolve in water. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide. These are the two bases which are also known as alkalis. All the base are not alkalis. All the base are not alkalis, but all alkalis are base. Understand this definition? All the base are not alkalis. For example, AlOH thrice, aluminium hydroxide. It is a base. Why it is a base? Because it contains OH negative hydroxyl ion, hydroxyl group. So it is a base. But it is not an alkali. Why aluminium hydroxide is not an alkali? Because it does not dissolve in water. It does not dissolve in water. So aluminium hydroxide is not an alkali. Okay. After that, we study about concentrated alkalis or dilute alkalis. Concentrated, a solution of alkalis. Concentrated alkalis means a solution of alkalis that contain excess amount of alkalis, means large amount of base. A solution which contain large amount or excess amount of alkalis or base is known as the concentrated base or concentrated alkalis. Okay. After that, dilute base or alkalis, a solution of alkalis, that contain less amount of alkalis is known as the dilute alkalis or dilute base. Okay. After that, we classify the base on the basis of strength. Second classification. First classification is on the basis of concentration. Now second classification of base on the basis of strength. On this base we classify as strong base and weak base. Strong base and weak base. Strong base is that solution which give their ions on complete dissociation. Strong base is that solution which give their ions on complete dissociation. For example, NaOH and KOH. NaOH and KOH, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. When dissolved in water, they give complete ions such as NaOH, Na positive and OH negative. Understand? After that, KOH, K positive and OH negative. How much OH negative ions in NaOH? 1. And how much OH negative ions in KOH? 1. These are the monoacidic. In nature. NaOH and KOH are monoacidic base. We will discuss it later. After that, weak bases. Second one is weak bases. Weak bases are those which not give their ions completely on ionization or dissociation. Okay? Weak bases are those which not give completely their ions on ionization or dissociation. For example, NH4OH ammonium hydroxide, NH4 positive, OH negative. Okay? After that, we classify the base on the basis of their acidity. Third classification. First one is on the basis of concentration. Second one is on the basis of strength. And third one is on the basis of acidity. First we understand about the term acidity means. Acidity means number of OH negative hydroxyl ion which are present in a given base. First one is monoacidity. Monoacidity means the substance is the base that contain only one OH negative or hydroxyl ion. Okay? When one molecule of a given substance and one molecule of a given substance give one hydroxyl ion or OH negative. This is known as the monoacidity of the base. For example, NaOH, KOH. They contain only one OH group, and when we dissolve these in water means aqueous solution. In aqueous solution they give only one hydroxyl ion. After that, second one is diacidity. Diacidity means when one molecule of a given substance give two OH negative or two hydroxyl group in their aqueous solution. For example, MgOH twice, CaOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Okay? After that, third one is triacidic bases. First one is monoacidic base, second one is diacidic base, and third one is triacidic base. When one molecule of a base triacidic base when one molecule of a base give 3 OH negative or hydroxyl ion in their aqueous solution. In their aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means in water. Okay? For example, aluminium hydroxide. It gives 3 OH negative on dissociation in water because it contains 3 OH groups. Okay students, after that some important base and their use. Important use of some important bases. Some important bases and their use. First one is sodium hydroxide. Its commercial name is caustic soda. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Commercial name is caustic soda. And use of NaOH in the manufacture of soaps, detergents and paper in many industries. After that, second one is KOH. KOH, potassium hydroxide, also known as caustic potash. It is also used in making of soap in industries and in absorbing carbon dioxide gas. In absorbing carbon dioxide gas. After that, third one is calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice, also known as, commercial name is slaked lime. Commercial name of CaOH twice is slaked lime and it is used in manufacture of baking powder. Okay, after that CaO, calcium oxide, also known as, commercial name is quicklime. Quicklime, and use of quicklime is to neutralize acidic nature of soil. To neutralize acidic nature of soil. After that, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. It is used as an antacid to remove acidity from stomach. To remove acidity from stomach. Okay, after that, aluminium hydroxide. Its commercial name is not known and it is used as a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher means in use of fire extinguish, आग बुझाना. Okay, these are the some important bases and their use: NaOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide. These are the commercial name and these are the use. Okay students, I hope you understand. After that, we will discuss some basic properties of base. Now, physical properties of base. First one, we will discuss that bases are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. Second one is they contain OH negative ions or hydroxyl group and they give this ion in their aqueous solution. And third one is they convert red litmus to blue. They will convert red litmus to blue. And fourth one is alkalis which are soluble in water, they conduct electricity. Soluble in water, they conduct electricity. Okay students, these are the some basic physical properties about base. Thank you.